In this tutorial, we are going to learn how you share the content that you want us to use for your website on Notion. This is Notion. Here we will write down the name of your website and share this pagina with you. You will receive an email and then you need to accept the invitation by clicking Go to Page. When you do this for the first time, you will need to log in Notion using your Google account or a code that you will receive automatically in your email. Once you are on Notion, all you have to do is check the layout that you have chosen and add here the content that you want us to change on your website. It's very simple. The only thing you have to do is write down, as if in a regular document of page document in Mac, the text that you want us to add here on your website, and also add the pictures in a very simple way that I will show you right now. Here we are. It is very simple. Only thing you need to do is press enter after the last line and start typing. You can also add text by clicking on the plus here. Then I choose that I will have a heading or a regular text or an image. It's really very simple. In this case, this is the title of my site, Singing Bowls. By hitting here plus, I can add a new item. Now I want an image, my header image. You can upload that direct from your computer. So now make sure that you choose the right image, because look at this. This is a beautiful image of myself, so to say, playing the singing bowls on the beach. This is not me, it's just an example. But this image is vertical. And check your website. The header is an horizontal picture, so if I add the vertical picture here, it will completely change and ruin all this design. I'm just going to show you for the fun. This is the background, a beautiful picture. I will going to replace it for the picture that the client just gave us. This is the one. Upload image. Okay, what do we have here? A very long image that really doesn't fit. The only thing you get to see here is a little part of the head. That's why you need to respect the design of the layout when you choose a picture for a specific place. All right, back to our Notion. So what you can do here, also very easily, you can just replace the image. I'm gonna choose this one. All right, so I already can start working for you. I have the name of your website, this little text, and the header. Let's see how it works out. Now you can see you gave us in an easy way the content that you want us to change, and in this way the first part of your website is already done. We can continue scrolling down. Here you have a little text explaining what you do and your 4 services. Back in Notion, you will continue in the same way, adding everything that you want us to change and add on your website. For example, we will lead welcome. Next we have a header, so you can choose heading 1. Next, you choose the text that is coming. I already have some text chosen. You can paste it here, you can type it. And coming back to check our layout, you have here 4 small pictures with the services. We are gonna add that into our document. So I just choose here image. Again, I'll load the files and I will choose this. And one more. And so on as you see the 4 images that I want on my website. Back to your layout, you can check every detail and be as specific as you want. If you want to change, for example, also the text of this button, you can add that in your document. You just click under the picture or press the plus button and specify button text services. That's all. So let's scroll up. This is the document that I have. The name of your website, the little text on the header. Welcome, you don't want it, so I will delete that one. Healing sound experiences, the 4 pictures of your services. You want me also to change the text on the button services. And then, of course, you want to add the names of your services and you forgot. Well, it's really, really easy as well. You can always click on a plus in between what you already have in the document and add here some text. Sound healing. Group healing, and so on. When you press on a plus, you will add automatically something below your last item. So it will be below this picture. So let's check again. This is your document. This is the original layout. And this is the final result. And now, last but not least, if you still want to make some little changes, like deleting something, we also have a tutorial for that, how to perform simple changes on your layout. Make sure you check our YouTube channel and subscribe to it so you don't miss any of these very super handy tutorials to work on your Divi website.